Hey, what's going on? So this is the other air conditioner I got from the older guy. I got that, what is that called? A Bradford. I got the Bradford from him. This is from the same guy. This is a Thomas Edison. And this looks to be in pretty decent shape. It's very dusty. It does have the panel frames, but the innards are completely dried out. They feel like paper. But I do have the frames. The paint's actually in good shape on the cabinet. Back's got some dings. Doesn't look too bad. So, this is another one that worked last time he used it. Who knows when that was. Anyway, I got it plugged in there. Let's turn it on. Let's put it on fan. A thermostat clicked. It's high fan. Low fan. Dust just hit me in the face. Alright, here's low cool. Let's see if this works. It does work, it's very stiff. Faceplate's kind of flopping around. Alright, turn it on. Do it. It's another, it's a very quiet compressor. It looks like a reciprocating compressor. Hard to see in there. I think that's what it is. The compressor sounds good on this. No, it's this is cold already. Wow. It's amazing how these older units, they're so quiet and they just get ice cold like within seconds. And this is cold. That is amazing. Yeah, this is like ice cold already. That is incredible. Yeah, this definitely works. That is cold. Very, very cold. High cool. Very, very strong fan on this. You can feel it from quite a distance back. This exhaust thing is really stiff. Need some oil or something. This works great. Works great. Nice and quiet. There's no funny noises. Alright, let me pop the grill off and we'll take a look at the inside. Okay, we got the cover off. These inside directional thingies, I can't really figure this out. They're fixed and they sit into little like tabs there. I guess you have to manually take it out and flip it around if you want to change the direction. Here's the label. I'm assuming this is from the 70s. There's no date on it. So, there you go. This vent thing in here seems to be not attached anymore. Works, but it's... something came off in there. The foam is all dried out behind this faceplate. That's why it's flopping around. This foam just disintegrates when you touch it. But other than that, you know, it works great. Pretty decent shape, can't really complain. Good. Feels like fiberglass insulation all around it. So there you go. That's the Thomas Edison air conditioner. So not bad. Not a bad unit. So might make a I'll probably make another video someday when I clean these. Maybe I'll do that over the winter. Anyway, I will see you next time.